Hello, little learners. Have you ever wondered how the alphabet sounds in different languages? Today, we're not just learning A to Z in English, but also in Hindi, Filipino, Bangla, and Urdu. From A for apple to Z for zebra, let's explore the magic of letters across the world. Are you ready to become a language superstar? Let's dive in. Hello, kids. Welcome to Twinkle Twinkle Learning Academy. Today, we're going on an exciting journey to learn the alphabets A to Z in 5 languages: English, Hindi, Filipino, Bangla, and Urdu. Let's get started with the first letter, A. Letter A. In English, A is for apple. In Hindi, it's A is for apple. In Filipino, we say ang A ay para sa apple. In Bangla, it's A ay apler JNY. And in Urdu, A seep ke liye hai. Letter B in English. B is for ball. In Hindi, it's B is for ball. In Filipino, we say ang B ay para sa ball. In Bangla, it's B bowler jono. And in Urdu, B bal ke liye hai. Letter C. C is for cat in English. In Hindi, it's C is for cat. In Filipino, we say ang C ay para sa cat. In Bangla, it's C bid alar JNY. And in Urdu, C bali ke liye hai. Letter D. D is for dog in English. In Hindi, it's D is for dog. In Filipino, we say ang D ay para sa dog. In Bangla, it's D kukurer JNI. And in Urdu, D kote ke liye hai. Letter E. In English, E is for elephant. In Hindi, it's Ama is for elephant. In Filipino, we say ang E ay para sa elephant. In Bangla, it's E hater jono. And in Urdu, E hathi ke liye hai. Letter F. F is for fish in English. In Hindi, it's F is for fish. In Filipino, we say ang F ay para sa fish. In Bangla, it's F macher JNY. And in Urdu, F machali ke liye hai. Letter G. In English, G is for grapes. In Hindi, it's G is for grapes. In Filipino, we say ang G ay para sa grapes. In Bangla, it's G angurer JNY. And in Urdu, G angur ke liye hai. Letter H. In English, H is for hat. In Hindi, it's H is for hat. In Filipino, we say ang H ay para sa hat. In Bangla, it's H tupi JNI. And in Urdu, H tupi ke liye hai. Letter I. In English, I is for ice cream. In Hindi, it's AIZFAISCREEM. In Filipino, we say ang I ay para sa ice cream. In Bangla, it's I ice creamer JNY. And in Urdu, I ice cream ke liye hai. Letter J. J is for jug in English. In Hindi, it's J is for jug. In Filipino, we say ang J ay para sa jug. In Bangla, it's J jagar JNI. And in Urdu, J jug ke liye hai. Letter K. K is for kite in English. In Hindi, its K is for kite. In Filipino, we say, ang K ay para sa kite. In Bangla, it's K ghudir GNI. And in Urdu, K patang ke liye hai. Letter L in English, L is for lion. In Hindi, it's L is for lion. In Filipino, we say, ang L ay para sa lion. In Bangla, it's L singhar jono. And in Urdu, L sher ke liye hai. Letter M in English, M is for mango. In Hindi, its M is for mango. In Filipino, we say, ang M ay para sa mango. In Bangla, it's M Amar JNY. And in Urdu, M aam ke liye hai. Letter N. In English, N is for nest. In Hindi, its N is for nest. In Filipino, we say, ang N ay para sa nest. In Bangla, it's N basar Jenny. And in Urdu, N ghounsle ke liye hai. Letter O. In English, O is for orange. In Hindi, its O is for orange. In Filipino, we say, ang O ay para sa orange. In Bangla, it's O kamlar JNE. And in Urdu, O naranji ke liye hai. Letter P. P is for parrot in English. In Hindi, its P is for part. In Filipino, we say, ang P ay para sa parrot. In Bangla, it's P tota pakhir JNY. And in Urdu, P tote ke liye hai. Letter Q in English, Q is for queen. In Hindi, its Q is for queen. In Filipino, we say, ang Q ay para sa queen. In Bangla, it's Q Ranir JNI. And in Urdu, Q Malka ke liye hai. Letter R. In English, R is for rabbit. In Hindi, it's R is for rabbit. In Filipino, we say, ang R ay para sa rabbit. In Bangla, it's R khargoshar jani. And in Urdu, R khargosh ke liye hai. Letter S. In English, S is for sun. In Hindi, its S is for sun. In Filipino, we say, ang S ay para sa sun. In Bangla, it's S Surya JNY. And in Urdu, S Surj ke liye hai. Letter T in English, T is for tiger. In Hindi, its T is for tiger. In Filipino, we say, ang T ay para sa tiger. In Bangla, it's T baghir janai. And in Urdu, T sher ke liye hai. Letter U. In English, U is for umbrella. In Hindi, its U is for umbrella. In Filipino, we say, ang U ay para sa umbrella. In Bangla, it's U chhatar jono. And in Urdu, U chhatri ke liye hai. Letter V. V is for van in English. In Hindi, its V is for van. In Filipino, we say, ang V ay para sa van. In Bangla, it's V bhyaner GNI. And in Urdu, V voying ke liye hai. Letter W in English, W is for watch. In Hindi, its W is for watch. In Filipino, we say, ang W ay para sa watch. In Bangla, it's W godher jonoy. And in Urdu, W ghadi ke liye hai. Letter X. In English, X is for xylophone. In Hindi, its X is for xylophone. In Filipino, we say ang X ay para sa xylophone. In Bangla, it's X xylophoner JNY. And in Urdu, X xylophone ke liye hai. Letter Y. In English, Y is for yak. In Hindi, its Y is for yak. In Filipino, we say ang Y ay para sa yak. In Bangla, it's Y iyakir jani. And in Urdu, Y yak ke liye hai. Letter Z. In English, Z is for zebra. In Hindi, its Z is for zebra. In Filipino, we say ang Z ay para sa zebra. In Bangla, it's Z jebrar JNY. And in Urdu, Z zebra ke liye hai. Great job, everyone. You've learned the alphabets in 5 languages. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Twinkle Twinkle Learning Academy for more fun learning videos. See you next time.